Creating consistent characters with AI can be a real challenge. One image might look perfect, but the next, your character suddenly has a different face, hairstyle, or outfit. It's so frustrating. This is a major hurdle for storytellers and faceless channels that rely on AI-generated characters. Consistency is key, but achieving it can feel nearly impossible. After exploring countless options, I finally found a solution. It's simple, works incredibly well, and can even turn your images into fully animated videos. In this video, I'll walk you through the process step by step. Be sure to watch until the end. You don't want to miss this. The tool we'll be using is Tensor Art, an all-in-one AI platform loaded with features for image generation. It can handle face swaps, image-to-video, and text-to-video animations. The possibilities are endless. For this video, though, we'll focus on creating consistent characters. To get started, click the link in the description to sign up. It's quick and easy, plus you'll receive 50 credits daily, which is super generous. To begin creating our character, go to Model. We'll use one of their newest models, Stable Diffusion 3.5 Medium Turbo. On the interface, search for the model and click on it. Once you're there, click Run to open the interface. Make sure the text-to-image option is selected. You'll also notice other features like image-to-image and text-to-video, but we won't need those for now. Next, we'll adjust some settings. I'll select the landscape aspect ratio, but you can choose any size that fits your project or even set a custom size. For this example, I'll generate 2 images at a time, though you can adjust that as needed. There's also an option to expand your prompt in the text box or use the translation feature if necessary. Adding negative prompts can help refine your results by specifying what you don't want in your image. For instance, I might include blurry image to avoid any unwanted blur. Now comes the exciting part, defining the character. This is where you get specific. Describe everything: name, facial features, hair color, outfit, age, and even gender. The more detailed you are, the better the result. For example, Emily, a 4-year-old girl with large, expressive eyes and long, wavy brown hair, rendered in a detailed 3D style. She's wearing a soft pink-purple dress with delicate ruffles and matching pink shoes with tiny bows, completing her cute and playful look. I'll include the full prompt description I used in the video description for you to customize. Once we've described the character, we'll hit Generate. Just look at those results. To ensure consistency, we'll click on the image, copy the seed, and paste it in the section on the left called Seed. This process will help us maintain consistency. Next, we'll test the character in different scenes and actions. For example, let's imagine Emily riding a cute little bike. Let's wait for the result. Wow, look at that, the similarity and consistency is mind-blowing. Next, we might try Emily playing with her little white puppy. Look at the result too. You can see it still maintains consistency. Or dancing joyfully in a vibrant butterfly garden surrounded by colorful butterflies. Each time, we'll generate and review the results. Notice how Emily remains consistent across different scenarios. It's truly impressive. If you run into any issues, you can always go back to the start of the video and follow the steps carefully. This method works brilliantly for creating consistent characters. But wait, I have a bonus tip for you. Instead of jumping between different software to animate your characters, Tensor Art makes it incredibly easy. Simply switch to the image-to-video option, upload your generated image, and add an action prompt describing what you want your character to do. Specify movements, angles, or anything else, then hit Generate. Just look at the results. It's a quick and seamless way to bring your character to life. To get started with Tensor Art, use the link in the description. You'll get 50 credits daily for your creations, and if you upgrade your account, you'll receive 30% off your subscription. That's an amazing deal. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow. Drop a like, share your thoughts in the comments, and share this video with anyone who might find it useful. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.